everyone. My name is Manasvi Ashish. I am student of DPS Siddharth Vihar. I study in grade 3. Today, I am going to show you an experiment. The name of my experiment is Potato Powered Lights. Do you know you could power a light bulb by a potato? The chemical reaction between two similar metals and potato juice creates a small amount of voltage. So, for this experiment, you will need two zinc-plated nails, two copper wire, two large potatoes, a light bulb or LED bulb, a piece of cardboard, and student-friendly scissors. Step 1. Connect the two wires with a bulb. Step 2. Connect the both wires with a nail on the other end. Step 3. Insert nails in two potatoes.